Hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Miller. We're doing microscope parts and care notes. Here we go. Alright, as you take a look at the microscope parts, number one, this long little tube right here is called the body tube. Number two, the revolving nose piece is right here. 3 is our objective lenses. We typically have 3 to 4. Ours that we will be using in class have 3. Next are the stage clips. Stage clips are right here, these little clips. 5 is the diaphragm, which is underneath underneath the stage, which allows light to come in. 6 is the light source. 7 is the ocular lens. It's another lens that we have that's built into the body tube. 8 is the arm. 9 is the stage. 10, this large knob, is the coarse adjustment knob. 11, the small knob, is our fine adjustment knob. And then finally 12 is our base, which is at the bottom. Okay. Let's talk about each of those parts. Let's talk about the body tube. The body tube there holds the objective lens and the ocular lens at the proper distance. Alright, so that's its job. The nose piece, which is right there, holds the objective lenses and can be turned to increase the magnification. Our objective lenses increase the magnification. We usually have anything from 10x up to 40x. These two clips hold the slide or the specimen in place on the stage so they don't fall off. The diaphragm, which is located underneath the stage, looks like this, controls the amount of light that you can see on the slide or the specimen. You turn it to let more light in or to make it dimmer, depending on what you're looking at. Looking at live organisms, you want it to be dimmer so you don't burn them up. The light source, clear at the bottom there, projects the light upwards through the diaphragm, the specimen, and the lenses. Some have lights, others have mirrors, where you must move the mirror to reflect light. All of ours actually have lights. The ocular lens is up here at the top. It helps magnify the specimen image. The arm is used to support the microscope when carried. It holds the body tube and the nose piece and the objective lenses. The stage is what supports the slide or the specimen. The coarse adjustment knob, which is the large knob right there that you see, moves the stage up and down quickly for focusing your image. We never ever use the coarse adjustment knob when we are using the highest magnification, which is that one, because we could smash it and ruin the actual lens itself. The fine adjustment knob, which is the small one that you see there, moves the stage slightly to sharpen the image. It's your fine focusing. So when you get it to about where you want it, then you use that to fine focus and get it even closer. The base supports the microscope. Alright, so how to magnify? Magnification. To determine your magnification, you multiply the ocular lens. Remember, that's the one at the top of the actual body tube. That's 10. It's always 10. The ocular lens on the top of the body tube is 10. You multiply that by the objective lenses. So one of those that's underneath there. Those lenses are 4, 10, or 40. So let's say, for example, you take your ocular lens, which is 10, and you have it on the highest setting, the highest lens, which is 40. You take 10 times 40, you get 400. So the object ends up being 400 times larger. The objective lenses always have their lens magnification written on them. They'll have a 4, a 10, or a 40. And of course, I said the ocular lens usually magnifies by 10. So if we had it on the smallest lens, which was the 4, you would take 4 times the ocular, 10, and it would be 40. Okay? It's pretty simple. That's how you calculate your magnification. How to use the microscope. First of all, start on the lowest magnification that you have. Don't use the coarse adjustment knob on high magnification. That's the 40x. Alright, you'll break the slide. Use the fine adjustment knob to help you on that one. Place the slide on the stage and lock the clips, and then use your fine adjustment to focus. Carrying for your microscope. Clean only with a soft cloth or a tissue. Make sure it's on a flat surface at all times. Carry it with 2 hands, one on the arm, the other under the base. Okay, that's the end of our microscope notes.